Hi everyone. All right, so now we're going to finish our assignment. Ahora ya vamos a terminar la tarea. We already did parts 1 through 4. Ya hicimos estos requerimientos, los primeros 4. We already did the first 4 requirements. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add background color and text color to our page. Ahora vamos a agregar color de fondo y de texto a nuestra página. Okay? So check it out. This is how you do it. If you look at slide 2 and slide 3, right there, I show you what code to use to add text color and what code to use to add background color. Aquí en estas diapositivas les enseño cómo agregar color a texto y color de fondo. Now, real quick, on slide 2, you'll see that at the bottom there's a link that says HTML color groups. You're going to click on that. Van a ver aquí abajo de esta diapositiva este enlace. Van a presionar aquí. All right, so go ahead and click on it, HTML color groups. And so these are the colors that you can choose from. These are all the colors that HTML recognizes. Estos son los colores que reconoce HTML. And so right now, when we start putting in color, these are the colors that we're gonna pick from. All right, ahorita cuando pongamos colores, de estos colores son de los que vamos a escoger. All right, so let's go ahead and let's go back to our code. Vamos a ir a nuestro código and check it out. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some text color. Lo primero que voy a hacer es agregar color al texto. Okay. Now, let's say that I really want up here, I want that to be a certain color. Hay que decir que quiero que aquí arriba sea de algún cierto color. So what I'm going to do is right here where it says my favorite show, I'm going to put code to add color to these 3 words. Voy a poner código para agregar color a estas 3 palabras. Now, up until now, we've learned how to add tags. All of our tags look like this. Hasta ahorita hemos aprendido cómo crear etiquetas y todas se ven así. Okay? To add color, we actually don't use a tag. To add color, we just use a code and we put that code inside a tag. So like if I want these 3 words to be a certain color, then I would put the code inside the tag that encloses those 3 words. Entonces en HTML no, para agregar color no usamos etiquetas, en vez ponemos un código y ese código lo ponemos adentro de las etiquetas. Okay, para cambiar el color de estas 3 palabras, voy a poner un código adentro de estas 2 etiquetas, de esta etiqueta que muestra el principio de esas 3 palabras. So I'm going to put my code right here, right inside of H1. Check it out. And this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to put style equals quotation marks. Inside my quotation marks, I'm going to put color, colon, and then I'm going to put the name of my color. Ok, entonces este es el código que voy a poner. Aquí voy a poner el nombre del color que quiero. So I'm going to go back to my HTML colors page and I'm going to choose a color from here. De aquí voy a escoger mi color. And let's say I really want this one, medium violet red. Hay que decir que quiero este. So I'm literally just going to type this same name into my code. Voy a poner el nombre del color adentro del código. I think the one I wanted was called medium violet red. Así se llamaba el color que escogí. So I'm going to go ahead and run it just to make sure it works. And there we go. All right. Now let's say I also want to choose a color for this right here. Hay que decir que también quiero escoger color para este. I do the same thing. Ok, hay que decir que quiero poner, here's my Parks and Recreation heading. So I'm going to put that code, the same code I put up here, I'm going to put it in this tag. Entonces, como quiero cambiarle el color a estas tres palabras, voy a poner este mismo código que usé antes aquí adentro. Okay, so I'm going to put style equals color and I'm going to choose my color. Ahí voy a escoger mi color. For this one, I am going to choose, I'm going to choose purple. Para esta voy a escoger morado, purple. All right, so I go back in my code. I put the name of my color in there. All right. All right, I run it and let me show you what it looks like. There we go. Perfect. All right, we've already put two colors. Ya hemos puesto color a dos pedazos de texto. So now, since we already put we already put text color 2 times, that's it. I could put more though. All right, so if you want to change the color of the paragraph, you can do that too. If you want to change the color down here, you can do that too. All right, play around with that and you decide where you want to change your color. If I really wanted to change my color of my name down here, I can do that too. También podría cambiar el color aquí abajo. Where do I see my name? Right here. What are the tags that enclose that? My bold tags. So I would put that code right there. I'm going to put my code right inside this tag. Si quiero también agregar color a mi nombre, voy a poner ese mismo código adentro de esta etiqueta. And I go ahead and choose a color for it. Let's say for this one, I want to use, I'm going to go with indigo. Okay, indigo. All right, indigo. Okay, I run it and there we go. All right, now we're done with our text color. Now let me show you how to add a background color. Now look back here. Remember, we have to add a background color at least 2 times. Ahora les voy a enseñar cómo agregar color de fondo. Recuerden que para eso tengo que agregar un color de fondo por lo menos 2 veces. So let me show you how to do that. For a background color, you do almost the same thing that you did for the text color. You only add one word. So let's say I want to add, let's say I want to highlight this sentence and add a background color to it. Hay que decir que quiero agregar un color de fondo a esta oración de aquí. I can do that. So you see how this sentence is all inside my paragraph tags. Ya ven que esta oración está dentro de estas etiquetas de párrafo. So because of that, I'm going to put my background color code inside this paragraph tag. So I'm going to put style equals, notice it looks almost identical to my other code. The only difference is that here I'm going to put background color. And then I'm going to put the name of my color. It's almost identical. This is almost identical to this, okay? Vean que casi son idénticos. The only difference is that for the background color, I added the word background and this dash. Lo único diferente es esta palabra y esta línea. Okay, but almost the same code. So let me go ahead and choose a background color for that sentence. And I'm going to choose something kind of light. Voy a escoger algo poquito claro. I'm going to go ahead and choose, I'm going to choose thistle. Thistle. Voy a escoger este thistle. All right. So I'm going to go back in here and I'm going to put the name of that color. And let's run it so you can see what happens. See, there we go. Ahí está, chicos. All right. Now, we've added one background color. Let's add another one. Another thing is I can also add a background color to the entire page. También puedo agregar color de fondo a la página entera. If I want to do that, I put my code inside the body tag. Si quiero agregar color a la página entera, pongo mi código adentro de la etiqueta del cuerpo. Okay, so I'm going to put a code in there. So I'll put style equals my quotations, background color, and I'm going to choose a color. All right, voy a escoger un color. Remember, this color is going to cover the entire page. Recuerden, este color va a cubrir la página entera. I'm going to go with, I'll go light pink and see what that looks like, light pink. All right, so I'm going to put light pink. I run it and check it out right there. All right. And then you can play around with it. If you feel like this is too dark, then you can kind of choose another color. Y ahí pueden ir como experimentando a ver cuál color les gusta. Okay, let's say instead I want like, I don't know, corn silk. I'll put that there instead. Okay. Corn silk. Okay, and you can just kind of play around with it. All right, everybody. So now guess what? Now we have finished our 6 requirements. Ahora ya por fin terminamos los 6 requerimientos. So now the last thing we have to do is we're going to take a screenshot of our page. If you are using a Chromebook, then what you're going to do is you're going to take your screenshot like this. All right, so if you have a Chromebook, like a laptop from school, this is how you're going to take a screenshot. This is what your keyboard kind of looks like. You're going to press Control, and then you're going to press that button right there. Para tomar captura de imagen en las computadoras de escuela, usan Control y este botón. Okay, so that's how you take it. And then you're going to go here and you're going to put insert image, and then you're going to choose it from there. All right. On mine, it looks a little different, but that's how you'll do it. All right. So you'll take a screenshot of your page, put it right here. If you're having too much trouble doing it, just skip this part. The important part is this. Lo más importante es esto. So you're going to go to your code. You're going to click save. Van a presionar save. You're going to click save again. You're going to copy the link. Van a copiar el enlace. And then you're going to go back to your code and you're going to paste your link here. Aquí van a pegar ese enlace. Okay. And then you can kind of fix it so that the background isn't the same color as the text. And there you go. That's how I'm going to grade your work. So when I click on your link, check it out. I'll see your code right there and I'll be able to run it and see how it looks. All right, everybody? All right, so make sure to get those assignments in and message me if any questions come up. Bye, everyone.